Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a wired network to your Nintendo Switch 2. As you probably already have noticed, there is no wired network port on your device. There's only USB-C, but that can be used for the wired network in two different methods. So let's first begin by the default standard native method, which is the dock. The dock is included in every brand new Nintendo Switch box. And if you buy it used, then it depends on the seller if they gave it to you as well in the package. And on the back of the dock you'll see this door, and there are three different ports. AC adapter, of course, for charging the console and also for powering the dock itself. HDMI out for connecting the device to the TV. So you can cast the screen from the device to the TV. That's quite great. And the LAN, which is optional, of course, and it lets you connect your device to wired network. Of course, once it's in dock, you cannot use it in the handheld mode, but you can either use it while it's connected to the TV, or if you just don't want to use it for a moment but want a quick connection to quickly download a game, then you can start a download, and I think that you can put it in there. But I'm not really sure if it'll work, because to connect to a wired network you also need to do a few things in the settings. But before that, let's talk about the second method, which requires you to actually have an additional device, which is a USB-C to Ethernet port adapter. I also have a few more here because it's called a hub. It has different ports, but it can just be USB-C to Ethernet port. They aren't too expensive, but of course cost a bit, although you can just check it in your region how much a USB-C to Ethernet port costs, and you can also connect it that way. And I'm gonna use it actually just to show you what you need to do after plugging in the wired network in order for it to work. Okay, so here I have the network wire. It's the RJ45 port, which is the Ethernet port, and I need to plug it into the adapter. Then plug the adapter into the Nintendo. I'm just gonna check if the lights on the adapter are on. Yes, they are blinking, which means that it actually has some sort of connection. Let's go to the settings, then go to internet settings. And now here, of course, you can connect to Wi-Fi here, but if you have wired connection plugged in, you can click on wired connection, then click on connect to wired network. Wait a moment. When it says connection successful, click on OK. And now it is connected. And the same will go for the dock. If you plug it into the dock, then on your TV you'll have to, of course, go to the settings of the Nintendo Switch and do the same thing. And once you're connected, you'll also have that icon instead of Wi-Fi icon displayed, which indicates wired connection, and it will also be visible in the short setting mode once you press and hold on the home button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.